Straight ahead of us, the Chicago Museum campus, the man-made peninsula, and the
Hey Laura, how you doing?
Watching the cormorants air their wings.
Yeah? Oh yeah. Cool.
planetarium. The architect was a gentleman by the name of Ernest Grunson's son. John becomes a NASA astronaut. Makes
3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the virtual tourist, I gotta show you something. I gotta show you something.
Oh, sure. Here we go. Here we go.
This is something you probably haven't seen before. Well, I'm gonna go show these are
There's a road I'd like to tell you about. Lives in my hometown. Lakeshore Drive, the road is called, and it'll take you up or down. From rats on up to bridges, 15 minutes you can fly. Pretty blue lights along the way, help you right on by. There's no blue lights shining with a heavenly grace, help you right on by. Like it, anywhere I found. Running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town. Just slipping on by on LSD, riding that trouble bound. And it starts up north from Hollywood, water on the driving side. Concrete mountains rearing up, throwing shadows just about by. Sometimes you can smell the green if your mind is feeling fine. There ain't no finer place to be than running Lakeshore Drive. And there's no peace of mind the place you see, riding on Lakeshore Drive. Like it, anywhere I found. Running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town. Just slipping on by on LSD, riding that trouble bound. It's Friday night and you're looking clean, too early to start the rounds. A 10-minute ride from the Gold Coast back makes you show your pleasure bound. And it's 4 o'clock in the morning and all the people have gone away. Just you and your mind at Lakeshore Drive, and tomorrow is another day. And the sun shines fine in the morning time, tomorrow is another day. And there ain't no road just like it, anywhere I found. Running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town. Just snaking on by on LSD, fighting that trouble bound.
Gates closing behind us already. Be pretty quick heading out. The lock is open heading west. Robert McCormick telling his correspondence, go give me a story, bring back a break. Now I don't know if that's true, but they're all there. That's pretty interesting.
Hi ladies, we're now just finishing the tour with the boat on Lake Michigan. Oh, and the tour guide gets a hand. Now I want to show you around where you are right now. Look at the buildings, look at that one. And this tall one. Look, oh, way up there. I know you can't read, but that's okay. You guys are with me, and this is what you see here. Look at that, eh? And then we go on this one, it's beautiful. Well, you can't have it on. Okay, Lori.
Show me how to.
Oh no, it's running. You just hold it and point it.
Okay.
Just hold it.
There's our friends. There we go.
How you doing?
Hello, Margaret.
You're not behaving. Take care of him, Margaret. Okay. Let me just.
We're at the Wrigley Building.
Margaret and Rob.
Margaret and Rob.
Yeah, here we are.
Wonderful time.
Chicago, we're taking you all the way around. Gotta go.
Hi, Margaret.
The boat's docking. Okay, don't go away yet. Are we having a good time, ladies? Are we having a good time? All right. Well, show us. Yeah, that's the spirit. Show us that you're having a good time. Okay, cool. Those are the easy girls. So that's what they.
I'm an easy.
You're an easy girl. Okay, get in there. More easy girls. Oh, all the easy girls. Hey, how about Jill? We got Jill there. One more easy girl. Come on, Jill. All right, come on, easy girls. All right. Okay.
Places you can walk
Get
along
Maria
Michigan,
dancing.
you can eat along here, but
Maria.
you want to grab a hot dog or sit down?
For him.
Whatever you want to do. You want to pair up with anybody?
It's up to you.
Giordano's. Yeah, that's over So that's it. We'll see everybody in a couple of years.
Yeah, there we go.
Perfect.